Next up, Aurcana trades on the venture on the stock symbol AUN. They're announced that high-grade copper-silver zone continued to expand at their La Negra project in Mexico. Specifically, the highlight here, 145 grams per ton of silver and 1.96% copper over 23.5 meters. That's a great intersect. Go take a look at holes 8 and 10. What I really like about Aurcana that I didn't know before was the following. They acquired the 100% of the Shafter silver mine in Texas, which transformed the company into an emerging primary silver producer. And Shafter's plan for startup in 2009 was silver production of 3.2 million ounces. Additionally, the 80% owned La Negra, which we just reported on, La Negra silver, lead, zinc, or copper mine in Mexico, operates at 1,000 tons per day. They've also got another interesting project that may be coming online now. Viewers are cautioned the company has not completed feasibility studies confirming the projected production capacity for La Negra, Shafter, or their other projects. So, you know, at the end of the day, they may not be economically viable. This tells me look for feasibility studies to be coming out sometime in the short term. They're trading at 59 cents, again, right off their 52-week low of 54 cents, and way off their 52-week high of $1.55. So if you feel there's a turnaround coming in the junior space, then this may be an entry point. Next up, Skygold Ventures trades on the venture under SKV. They announced a drilling intersected 47.5 meters of 2.04 grams per ton of gold, and that's 275 meters west of the main zone resource. This press release came out along with Wild Rose Resources, which trades on the venture WRS. I'm assuming it's a 50-50 joint venture, but don't quote me. Check that out for yourself. But these results deal with the Spanish Mountain project in central British Columbia. Wide zones of gold mineralization continue to be intersected outside the limits of the initial resource calculation. That's what's really important here. They've already got an initial resource calculation, but these zones are being intersected outside the limits, indicating the potential to significantly expand on the resource. Take a look at hole 722, 706, and 714. I've got a quote from Brian Groves, President CEO of Skygold, who sums up like this: with our current resource, we believe that the Spanish Mountain property now hosts one of the largest gold deposits ever discovered in the region. Big words out of the company. Go take a look at the numbers. 62 cents closed yesterday. Again, 56 cents at the low for the 52 weeks, high of 210 over 52 weeks. So you may be getting in at a good time here. Masuparia Gold trades on the venture into MAS. Continue great, by the way, great news today out of the junior resource sector. Drilling there, 5.33 meters of 17.3 grams per ton of gold, including 0.83 meters grading 29.5 grams per ton of gold. This is at their Grey Wacky project in Saskatchewan. It's a joint venture along with 51% goes to Masuparia, 49% goes to Golden Band Resources. The drilling was primarily to clarify the configuration and continuity of the gold mineralization within the North Zone in order to refine the resource model, which I'm going to talk about in a second. 9 of the 11 holes intersected significant high-grade gold mineralization. Take a look at them. But what's important, most important here is the initial resource estimate. Wardrobe Engineering, very well known out of Toronto, completed a mineral resource estimate on the deposit in February of 2008. The company released it on April 7th. Go take a look at that news. But here are the numbers you need to know. Indicated resources of 184,000 tons, grading 8.4 grams per ton of gold. An inferred resource of 58,000 tons at 7.29 grams per ton, and that's all at a cutoff of 5 grams per ton. I like those numbers. Go do your own due diligence, but I really like those numbers. They closed yesterday at 18 cents. And finally, some stock halts for you. I've got 3. Pacific Energy trades on the TSX under PFE, halted at 9.12 pending news. Sierra Vista trades on the venture under SVR, halted at 9.10 pending news. Second Wave Petroleum trading on the venture under SCS, also halted at 9 o'clock pending news. That's a wrap. Fantastic news from both sides of the border. Great results out of the U.S., great drilling results out of Canada, so a win-win today for all small cap investors. If you're looking for more great small cap companies to invest in, don't forget about the AGORACOM marketplace. Right now has approximately 90 companies listed by industry and exchange with great summary descriptions so you can quickly find the one that best suits your portfolio needs. That's a wrap. Have a great day. I won't be here tomorrow. Paul will be filling in, so I'll see you on Friday.